This is the solar powered car cooler made by BOMSOLAR. It's very useful in hot area. In summer, especially in summer, the old car which without AC. So we can use this small solar powered car cooler to improve the ventilation of the car, so you can feel better. If your car is very old and already the AC is broken, I recommend you to use this solar cooler. Let's check how it works. You can see the solar panel is on top. Then we can put it, this side is outside the car glass, the window glass, and this side is inside the car. So there are two fans here. We can put it on. Then it generates the wind to improve the ventilation conditions of the car. So it's very useful. It looks really nice. Then the material is ABS, so it's very durable and good weather resistance. For more information, you can visit our website at www.bomsolar.com.